Yeah, we're having a laptop today. It's a Lenovo. Yeah, let's have a look at this laptop. Yeah, the owner has a sticker on the laptop, and that's why maybe we are not able to see the Lenovo logo on the machine. So let's check the voltage on the charger. Put in the charger and see whether this laptop is coming on. Yeah, nothing as you can see. So let's open the laptop and let's try to take some voltages. Yeah, after the charging port, are we having the 19 volts? Yeah, we are having the 19 volts on the first MOSFET. The voltage is not passing on to the other end of the MOSFET. Yeah, this is still the same. So bear with me, guys. We are going to check this together under the microscope. Let me just confirm a few things here and there. Yeah, the voltage is not going to the other side of the MOSFET. But yeah, we could be having a short circuit. So let's go under the microscope. So we check this together. Yeah, this is the MOSFET where I'm getting 19 volts on this end, on one end, and nothing on the other end. Yeah, let me come with a multimeter and try to show you. So I'm getting 19 volts here, but nothing on the other end. And so we'll try to correct this mistake. I'm trying to think we could be having a short circuit on this motherboard. So the first thing to do is to take out this MOSFET. And let me cap with some flux here, some hot air. We remove that MOSFET so that we can be able to detect the short. I'm going to use a method of injecting the voltage into the motherboard and trying to see what is getting hot. So bear with me. I still have a lot of investment to do on this channel because I need some few more cameras here and there. I need the camera to show the multimeter, the camera to show the power supply, and my hot air station, and also the camera to capture what I'm doing on this table here. The microscope is sorted and others. So just go slowly. So let's take out this MOSFET together. Yeah, everything in life you go slow by slow. Just make sure you're making a progress in whatever you are doing. Just trying to make a change, a positive change in your life. Yeah, the MOSFET is out. And so now I'm going to solder voltage injecting wire on a current resistor so that I can inject. Let me clean here a little bit. Yeah, I think it's clean, so that I can inject some voltage into the motherboard and try to see what will be getting hot. As that will depict our short, that will determine what component is giving us a short on this motherboard. So this is the current resistor. Here, let me put some flux on this current resistor. I don't know which side is. Can I try this side? Or maybe the other side. This side is okay. Let me put some solder there so that I can attach the voltage injecting wires from the power supply. So yeah, let me come with the wire. And let me try to attach the wire on this current resistor, but it looks like I'll have to cut off some insulator. The wire is inside the insulator. So just a second. Uh, Let me try to cut off some insulating plastic there, the rubber part of the wire, so that we can expose the wire itself. Yeah, I think, can I remove this one too? Yeah, I think it's looking fine. Yeah, let me come with a solder gun there. And I think yeah, we have managed to attach the injecting wire, the voltage injecting wire on the current resistor. So now let me, just a minute. Yeah, so I'm trying to touch with my hands, try to feel what is getting hot, as that will be our component. That will be the component that is causing the short. Yeah, I'm injecting 19 volts because the current resistor is, I've attached the voltage injecting wire on a 19 power rail. So I'm using 19 volts to inject into the motherboard. So don't worry, very soon I'll be having all the cameras to show everything I'm doing. You'll be seeing the amperes being drawn by the motherboard. Yeah, I think I'm feeling a certain capacitor here. It's getting quite hot. I'll show you with some isopropylic alcohol. Let me pour some isopropylic alcohol here so that you can see for yourself. Yeah, you see which cup is drying alcohol very quickly because it's getting very hot. Let me pour some more. Position it in a place where you're able to see. Yeah, look at that cup there. You see how fast it's drying the alcohol? Let me do it again. You see? Yes, we need to get rid of that cup. That cup is our suspect. Yeah, that cup, we need to take out that cup. So let me grab some flux, then put it, apply some flux. You know, flux is friendly. When you are soldering and desoldering components, it is important to use flux all the time actually. That is to contain solder or to control the amount of solder or how the solder is supposed to behave. Solder is more disciplined when flux is applied, unlike when you're not using any flux. Solder cannot behave in the correct manner. So I'm grabbing a hot air. Let me come with some hot air here so that we can rip off that cap, or maybe we can remove that cap in a peaceful way. Yeah, some people will pluck it off like a tooth, but I don't recommend that. It's always good to be friendly to the motherboard because you want the motherboard to work. Yeah, so try to have some decorum as you are taking off the cap, and our cap is out now. Yeah, now that the cap is out and we know that the cap was the problem, now we have to go and take back the MOSFET. As I had stated earlier, I didn't think the MOSFET was the issue here. Yeah, the ceramic parts, the ceramic components, most of the time they are causing the short. And so let's come back here and return the MOSFET. Yeah, let me position this and try to position it under the sphere of the microscope so that you can see. And that's a good sphere. Okay, let me come with some hot air. Try to solder back the MOSFET. Yeah, invest in a good flux. I prepare my own flux. Yeah, very soon I'll make a video on how you can make your own flux. Maybe you want to use colophony, maybe you want to use the rosin or Amtech 559. I always prepare my own flux. I don't know what I should call that flux. Maybe I'll think of a name. And very soon I'll give it a name so that maybe people can buy it from me if they find it good quality. So let's check now the motherboard now that we have taken off the cap that was giving us a short. Let me come with a DC jack power. Let me plug it in. Are we getting anything hot? Yeah, the processor is getting hot. I think the motherboard could be working. I think the motherboard is okay now. Yeah, yeah, the motherboard is very hot. So let's take back the screen connector so that you can see whether the motherboard is okay. If you have a picture, then we have made it to fix the laptop. If you don't have a picture, it will mean we have done nothing, or whatever we may have done is not helpful to us, and now we have to go back and recheck where the problem is. Are we having a picture here? Yeah, we are having a picture. Yeah, guys, we are now in a position to term this repair as a fix. Yeah, the laptop is not having a hard disk or an SSD, and so I don't think it's. So that's it. Yeah, guys, that's how you fix a laptop that is shorted to ground. Let me see whether it's gonna work again. So guys, you can like this video, you can share, and please subscribe to our channel. Please support our work. We will really appreciate that. And let us know what you think in the comment section, guys. And that is all for today. We meet in the next video. Yeah, bye.